Greetings, researchers and writers in English 1102. This is Professor Edelman saying hi, checking in. We're a little past midterm now, and as I warned, the pace in this class is very intense, and you have been turning in a lot of work at a very fast pace. So just checking in, wanting to say hang in there, keep it up. You'll be getting comments on your research proposals over the next few days. Some of you already have. They take me a little bit to get through, so I can give you feedback. And just wanting to encourage you to stay in touch, to get in touch with me with questions or concerns. I do have regular office hours, and I am always available to schedule something if that doesn't work for you. So just to check in, make sure that you understand how the rest of the semester is laid out and the timeline for it, because this is a little past midterm and you are going to be finishing up these projects in the not too distant future. So I hope everybody is staying well, staying healthy, and that as we move into a reopening and you probably are engaging in more activities, some of you back at work, that you are taking all the precautions you need and staying safe. So I look forward to continuing working with you and sending you all best wishes. Thanks.